Quickly, as it's late at night, I'm just going to give you a quick insight as to why I was ranting about needing the Silver Sharpie. We sign and date all of our tune-up components. So we sign and date our air filter like I'm about to do right now, which will be signed and dated with my initials. It basically gives transparency as to, number one, when we did it in case the customer wants to reference it without having to find the invoice. And B, it also allows them to know that we actually replaced it, or at least touched it, or cleaned it, whatever the case may be. Just like they can go over there and notate on their oil filter. There's the date 2/19/21 with my signature. So here we go once again. We got 3/21 JD, and we can do new. And then we do FT for full tune-up. And yeah, and since we have an hour meter we're now installing, we're going to do 0.0 hours. 0.0 hours. New 0.0 hours, JD 321, full tune-up. So that's something we do here at the shop. Alrighty guys, find yourself a Silver Sharpie. We'll do links in the description below. If you have any ideas to how do we get a pen clip on these Silver Sharpies, or if there's a Silver Sharpie that has one, let me know. Peace.